It's the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video will be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So guys, this is boom 1000. It started an uptrend right from this support zone and it came to an end at this resistance zone. So it started a downtrend right from there and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500, and if you should notice, it started a downtrend right from here and it has been selling since then. However, this is very close to a support zone already. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. So selling at the moment, it might not be for long in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000, and this had been on a very strong uptrend right from that support zone, and of course it has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it had to sell for a while. So right now it's having a pullback. If it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then it will sell again to try out this support zone again. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so I believe this should give us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially after the pullback. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been more of an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag. It got to this resistance zone, had the pullback and went back up again to break out from there, and of course guys, it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So we should wait for that, okay, to see if it will break out above it or it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still buying at the moment, even though this might not be for a very long time. Last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it together right now. So guys, this is volatility 75. It actually went on downtrend right from this resistance zone till it got to this support zone, and right from here it started an uptrend and it has been buying since then. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.